Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Now today I partner with Raycon. They sent these over. These are their E26 everyday noise canceling earbuds. We're going to break down everything these have to offer. So let's get into the video. So when it comes to the price for the Raycon E26 everyday earbuds, you're going to be looking at $80. So it's going to be budget friendly, under $100. So you're going to be looking at $80 for this. And it comes in multiple colors. I think it's 4. You can get it in black, green, you can get it in this violet color, or you can get it in blue. So those are the different color options. Now I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the color options and see if it ever goes on sale or any of that. Now, one thing you would notice right when you open it, this case is really small, which is really good. So it's not going to take up too much room in your pocket. That's for sure. You put it in. If you like stud earbuds, these are definitely ones you'll probably like as well. The design, nice, simple, easy, looks clean. I really do like this violet color. It really pops, so I do like it a lot. I'm pretty sure my wife will be taking these from me when the review is over. But that's what it looks like on ear. But I do like how small these are. I really like how just compact it is and the design. And I really do, like I said, I like the color of just this violet also. So everything looks really clean. They also sell cases that you can put your Raycons in. So this little case you slide in there. I already put the lanyard on there, or I should say my wife, because she's already eyeing them to take them. And so you can get this little case right here. It looks pretty fly. This is the cloud version. They have multiple different versions of the case. When it comes to the battery life, you're gonna get 32 hours in total. You get 8 hours off of a single charge for an earbud. If you use this earbud and it dies, if you just put it in the case, it'll charge up and give you an hour and a half back of battery life in 10 minutes. So you can charge up really quick. And then of course you got about 24 hours in the case. So you should be able to charge up about 3 times after your earbuds die. So when it comes to the waterproofness rating of this, you're gonna be looking at IP66. Now one of those sixes means that it is dust proof, and the other one means it can handle water from a whole bunch of different angles hitting it. So that means if you're wearing these in the rain, if you're on country or a state where it rains a lot and you like to go on little jogs or hike, these are gonna be fine. You're gonna be covered with the water proofness of that against the rain and sweating if you're using these for the gym or using them at work where you're outside and you're sweating a lot and it's hot like it is right now in California. But the noise canceling on these are really good. I did test it out at work where in my office it's super loud. I like to get in there early, and test them out, and just because it's really loud in there, it's like metal banging and all types of stuff. And the noise canceling was really good. I did have to change the ear tips because I went to the smallest one, and I needed the medium size to really block out the world, and it was perfect after that. So just definitely experiment with your ear tips and get that right size for yourself. But the noise canceling was good on these. All right, let's get to my thoughts of the sound. That's the most important part about earbuds is the sound. I always wondered if Raycon was worth the hype. They always pop up on my Instagram. They always pop up everywhere, and I always see them. So I was always intrigued and interested in these and how they sound. So when it comes to the sound quality, it's really good. I would definitely say it is worth the hype. It lives up to the hype because I wasn't expecting much. It's in that budget range, under $100. So you're looking at $80. So I was like, okay, what are we gonna get out of these? The sound is clean. You do get nice highs and mids. I do like that, but the mids, highs all sound good. I think the star of the show of these earbuds is the bass for sure. It just works really well with the music, but still gives you that thump and rumble and that presence to let you know, like, hey, these are some bass earbuds, but we're not gonna overpower. But in sports terms, the offense runs through the bass. It all works together, but the offense runs through the bass for sure, because the bass just sounds so good. There's earbuds out there where the bass might be better than these, but they're overpowered and they're really strong. I'm pretty sure you guys know some out there, but not these ones. They work together with the music and they give you that rumble and that shake still, but it's just not overpowered. It just works well. So I do like the bass on these, but all around sound wise, I do like the quality that you're getting out of these. And definitely for that range, and that $80 range and that budget price, really good pair of earbuds sound wise. I do believe the hype now. I see why everyone loves these things. All right, but so there you have it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. You guys can check out one of my other videos right here somewhere you can click. Shout out to Raycon for sending these over, and I'll see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanted By It. Peace.